So as you read in the title, yes, I'm making empanadas, specifically Chilean empanadas or Empanadas de Pino. So yeah, I'm just gonna get some of that ground beef, put it in the pan over some oil so it won't stick, obviously. And we're just gonna cook it. I think I messed this up. It came out way too greasy, which I'm kind of disappointed with. But if you want to follow this recipe, maybe not add it as much oil, or maybe not add beef broth, which is what I added. I think that's where I messed up. I saw beef broth in a recipe. I don't think I should have listened to that recipe, but we're gonna keep cooking it. We're gonna make sure it gets cooked. So yeah, I added Italian seasoning, salt, and beef broth. So yeah, it looks about done. Yeah, it looks about done. Maybe a little darker. Okay, so now we're gonna fold it over with our pie crust. I just used a regular pie crust from the store, so we're just gonna push the meat down and we're just gonna fold it over, push the meat down a little bit more so that way it won't be so hard to fold. Now you can just press it around the edges. There we go. My friend did a much better job than I did. My friend, he made it like perfectly round. Yeah, it looked good. Anyways, I'm not Chilean, my friend is. So I really don't know how to make Chilean empanadas. I mean, I'm Hispanic, so I should know how to make empanadas in general, but I don't. So yeah. And so I used a fork. As you can see, my empanadas are ugly. My friend did a much better job. His is like perfectly round. So yeah, I'll show you that in a bit. But right now, just watch me make whatever that is. That looks horrible. Maybe we can just round it a little bit. Yeah, like that. That should be good. Yeah, there we go. So now we're gonna put that on the baking tray, on the baking sheet, and yeah, that's how I make it. There's my friends. Much better than mine.